my beautiful outfit. Isn't it cute? I'm a little elf. But anyway, so I am so happy to be here with you. It is Tuesday. I am Betsy. Welcome. Okay, guys, so if you didn't see my video yesterday, my baking video, check it out. Because I am about to do the long-awaited taste test of this pumpkin pie. And I am so excited. That's going to be the first part of our video. Look at how good this turned out. You can't really see it. The lighting in here is weird. But look how good this turned out. It turned out way delicious. So, I'm going to do it here. I'm going to taste test it. And we're going to see how it turned out. Oh yeah, that is delicious. That turned out really freaking awesome. That was a bomb pie. That was a really, really good pie. Okay, guys. So, if you didn't check out how to make this delicious pie, please go check it out. It was super easy to make. It was really awesome. Oh, and guess what, buds? Today is the anniversary of our channel. So I want to personally thank everyone who's been here supporting us. Like all of our viewers, like all of just everyone who's helped out. Friends and family that we've collabed with, like everyone who's a part of this channel. I just want to personally say a big thank you because you guys are the reason why we've been here for a whole year and why me and Dee didn't just say, you know what, we're not doing this anymore, because I'm sure there were a few times where we fought it. So I just want to thank everyone. You guys are great. But on to today, the rest of today's video. Okay, guys, so for today's video, I'm going to be making holiday slime. Now, I have never done like a slime video really before. I've made slime before, but it wasn't even like this stuff that I'm using. I before was using the borax method, and that was before I found out that borax is super bad for you. So, of course, I'm not going to use that method anymore because that would be stupid. So, instead, I've decided to use the method that has the contact solution and glue and stuff like that. We're going to add holiday stuff to it, so it's going to be super holiday-y. So I have my bowl right here. So let's get ready to make this. Okay, guys, so what we have to use is we have clear glue, which is going to like help us make our slime. We have baking soda, which is also going to help us make our slime. We have the contact solution, which you can't really see because of the lighting. Oh, there we go. I have some assorted sequins. I have some gift bows. I have some green glitter. Some iridescent glitter. Some tinsel. And some green food coloring. Now, my thought was I was going to make like a green slime with some red accents. So let's get started. We're going to dump our glue into our bowl. Okay, so next I'm going to add a little bit of baking soda. It says to put about a teaspoon in, so I'm just going to estimate about a teaspoon. It doesn't have to be a whole lot, it's just enough to like keep it from being too sticky. And I'm using this wooden stick thing to mix it around, even though that's probably a bad solution for mixing, but oh well, I don't care. I don't want to dirty up any of my crap. Okay, so now that that is mixed up, next we're going to, well actually I should probably add some of the color first before I do anything too crazy. So, next, I'm going to put in some food coloring. Now I don't want a whole lot of food coloring because I want this to be kind of transparent, but I just want it to like have a little bit of color to it. So I'm going to mix that up in there. Okay, and then next I'm going to maybe add some glitter. Should I add the glitter next? Yeah, probably, maybe. I don't know. Sure, why not? Oh, no, don't fall in there. Make it all glittery. Where did my green glitter go? Hold on, my green glitter's somewhere around here. Oh guys, I lost my green glitter. Oh wait, there it is. Silly. I'm so silly. Okay. Put a lot of the green glitter in. I just basically put all of it in. Okay. So we have our green glitter in. Now it just looks like I used glitter glue, which is fine. Glitter glue is fun. Okay. So now we're going to add the contact solution. Okay, so the contact solution. Just pour a bunch of it in there and then stir. Starting to like slime up now. Okay, actually I'm gonna stop using this and I'm just gonna start using my hands because you know, why not? I don't know where to put this though. Oh, look at it! I'll put that right there. Okay, so we're just gonna like play with it, like kind of work it through. It's still like super sticky as you can see, so it's probably gonna need a little bit more contact solution. It's a pretty good consistency though, it just needs like a little bit more I think to make it a little bit less sticky. So just spray it. Just spray it. Okay. I think we just need to work it through. I think if we work it through a while, it'll become less sticky. Okay guys, so now my slime is like pretty bomb. I just like played with it for a while and it like lost its stickiness. It was like really awesome. So like this is like a freaking awesome slime. And I don't know, you can't really see it too well, but like it has like a lot of like glittery texture to it too. So like this slime is like bomb. It has a little bit of stickiness to it, but I think it'll be fine. So now I'm going to add some red accents to it. I'm going to add some red sequins. And I'm just going to play with that and like get it in there. So now it has all that red going through it. And then I am going to take some tinsel and I'm just going to slice and dice it. I'm just going to slice this tinsel all the way up. So there will be shreds of red tinsel through it. Slice the tinsel, we're slicing it up. Adding tinsel. Okay, so now we have our tinsel in it.
What was that now?
And here we have it, our Christmas slime. Dudes, I love this. This is great. This is like the best stuff I've ever made. And it's so Christmassy. I love it. Look at it fall. This is like the greatest stuff in the world. I don't know why I haven't done Christmas, well, like slime videos in general before. Like, this is freaking awesome. Like, I see why people do this. This is awesome. This is fun. I like this. This is the coolest stuff ever. Yeah. So that's basically my tutorial for Christmas slime. Oh, and if you want, you can put a little bow on top of it, and then you'll have a little bow on top of it. So it'll be like Christmas gift slime. Ta-da! So that is my tutorial on how to make your own Christmas slime. I hope you guys liked it. And again, like, thank you to all of the supporters who, like, pay attention to our videos and, like, watch them and stuff. Like, I'm so happy that we went this far because, honestly, like, I didn't think we were gonna, like, do this for this long. So it's been a lot of fun. But yeah, woo! So, yeah, I am actually taking a break next week, so I'm not going to be here for Christmas next week because, you know, Christmas is on a Monday anyway. Um, so I guess right now I just want to go ahead and say, like, Merry Christmas to everyone. Um, you know, I'll be back after a while, but I am taking Christmas off. So Merry Christmas, and I just hope you guys have, like, the best Christmas ever, and I just love you all, and just make sure you like and subscribe. If you like this video, make sure you tell me. If you want me to do more slime videos, definitely tell me, because I know that slime is like a dying trend now. It was kind of like more like earlier this year, but dude, this was freaking fun. So I might do this more. Like, I don't know why I never got on the slime bandwagon. This kills me. This was freaking fun. So, yeah, I'm going to play with my holiday slime now and think Christmassy thoughts. Um, my Christmas slime. So, yeah, just thank you for everyone and everything. And I love you, buds.